Hey guys, so it's Friday today. I have forgotten what day it is. So it's Friday and I'm gonna go get some groceries and go to maybe some stores to get stuff. 머핀팬이 필요해서 왔는데 Where is muffin? 머핀 찾았다. 어떤 거 사야 되지? 귀여워. 쿠션 종류도 진짜 많아요. Ooh, I like this olive green color. So these are the ingredients that I need for making blueberry muffins, and let's get started. Hey guys, it's Sunday morning and I'm gonna have avocado toast. By the way, if my voice sounds really weird in my videos, it's because I have cold right now. I hate it. You know, those kinds of feelings that you can't really breathe with your nose because it's all blocked and you have to sneeze all day, coughing all day. I really hate it. So, my lovely boyfriend Mitch had cold from his training trip. He was gone for like 3 days and he got cold from there. So I have cold now. So I just brushed my brows out with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencils Spoolie, and I'm gonna do my brows with this one. This is by Kiko Milano's Eyebrow Sculpt Automatic Pencil, and this is in the shade 05, I think. It just looks like this, and you can create like full eyebrow with this. So once you think your brows are filled in, you should brush them upwards and make them a bit more natural. This product, the brows, from Kiko, is a bit like waxy. It's not like powdery. So first things first, I'm gonna use this Etude House Look at My Eyes. It's in the shade BR407. It's called 사랑은 모래성 in Korean. And I'm gonna just use my fingers. I like using brushes, but sometimes I use my fingers as well, because it's really easy, and I think sometimes fingers are better than brushes. You don't need to be really precise about it, just roughly blend this out. I'm gonna take this shadow. This is from Innisfree, My Eyeshadow. It's like a shimmer version, and it's in the shade 41. So I'm gonna define my outer corner of my eyes with this, just slightly. I love the color. This is True Face Peachy Palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here. It's like a, what to say, it's like a burnt brown shade. It's called Summer Young. Eyeshadows are done. I'm gonna draw my eyeline with this eyeliner. This is by Kiss Me. This is like a brown liquid eyeliner you can find anywhere. I'm not very good at doing my eyeliner. And I'm gonna use this Rimmel Scandal Eyes 24 Hours. And I'm gonna draw the waterline with this one. And connect it. And I'm gonna curl my lashes with my lash curler. This is by Shiseido. I'm not gonna use fake lashes. Honestly, I haven't really tried fake lashes yet. I think it's all done. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes as well. And I'm gonna use my NARS blush. This is in the shade Gina. I really like NARS blusher. It's just really good. The pigment is really awesome and you can't go wrong with it, I think. And using my Benefit True Love bronzer, I'm gonna warm my face a bit. So I'm gonna use my Stylist highlighter. This is in the shade Kitten. Using my highlighter brush, I'm just gonna slightly work this on my nose. Top of my cheekbones. For my lips today, I'm gonna use this Kiko Milano's Dark Treasure Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade number 2. I just think it's perfect for autumn. Smells like chocolate. Sun is out. So this is the finished look. The weather here is really weird, like it's rainy and then sunny and then cloudy and then rainy. Those happen in a day. But I'm not like really complaining about it. I'm glad that I'm here with my boyfriend, cause long distance sucks. If you ever done it before, it really sucks, you know. 소스. 아, 뭐 사려고 왔지? 튀김가루가 어디 있을까요? 이렇게 과자 같은 것도 되게 많고. 차이나타운에 마켓이 한 3-4군데 있는데 제가 튀김가루 사러 왔거든요. 근데 튀김가루가 조그만한 거에 2,007파운드인가 그래가지고 다른 데도 한번 가보려고 지금 가고 있어요. 되게 한인마트는 아직까지 못 봤는데 중국인 마트가 꽤 여러 개 있어가지고 좋은 것 같아요. 식자재 찾기도 편하고 한국 요리도 더 많이 해먹을 수 있어서 좋은 것 같아요. 이제 이쪽으로 가면 마트가 2개 정도 더 있어요. 여기는 또 다른 마트인데 튀김가루가 있나 한번 찾아봐야 되겠어. 카스타드도 있고 초코파이도 있네요. 꼬북칩이 있는데 이거 중국어로 써있는 것 같아요. 맛은 똑같겠죠? 라면도 종류가 굉장히 많네요. 다른 나라 라면도 한번 시도해보고 싶은데 추천 좀 해주세요. 여기서 튀김가루 본 것 같은데 튀김가루를 찾긴 찾았어요. 콩물이 나오냐? 치킨 튀김가루도 있네? 이거 사야 되겠다. Guys, I went to the Chinese groceries and went to some other places like Boots and HomeSense to get some stuff. I needed like a medicine and I also needed a wok pan, if you know what I mean, the thing that you fry some stuff in. And I'm really feeling tired and so naked as hell. I think I'm just gonna get some rest at home and trying to chill out and watching some shows. Ta-da! Oh, this potato. I went to Boots to find the cream that I can use on here.
But did you find any?
No, I couldn't. Maybe I should go to the...
I don't really know what you need.
Do I need like a prescription for creams? Gel?
Depends on what cream or gel.
Right.
If it's something that could be really harmful, then you will need a prescription.
I don't think it's harmful at all. 맛있다요.
How much more?
Me?
Then I'll try to finish it.
Don't push yourself.
But it's tasty. Because it's not gonna be enough for my lunch tomorrow or something. So.
You're gulping like 5 minutes straight.
You can edit that out.
No.